Okay, so we are going to see how the automation went. So if you go to iftdd.com, these are the applets. So these are all the little programs which are doing the automation, which we set up in the previous video. So the first one is YouTube to Blogger. So if you click on it, you can go to settings. You can see it's connected, so that means it's working. You go to settings, and you can see that there was activity. So today, well, so we set it up on the 2nd, and it was it's the 9th today, and on August the 8th, so yesterday it did run. So let's see, we can go view. Yes, applet run. So what you can do is you can look at this, and it should tell you that it's done everything. So that's what it's done. But obviously, the best way to check is to just go to the site itself. So if I go to Blogger, hopefully it should log in anyway. Should be there. Yeah, there you are. Okay, it is a brand new account, so nothing's happened yet, but if you keep posting, it should just mean it gets out there. Okay, so it has done this. What it hasn't done is provided any hashtags or anything like that, or any text in the body, which would be nice if the description actually goes into this description area. So I may check it and go back and see if there is another YouTube blogger applet which does the descriptions as well. Let's go back. So this one is share your latest ones to, this is the Reddit one. So I'm not going to go to settings for each one, but you can do that. I'm just going to go directly to the website and see if it's there. Okay. So because these are all new accounts, I need to go and change all the profile pictures as well at some point. So if I click on that, let's see where my text would be. Messages. What's down here? My profile. Oh, this is. Oh, so I did post it. But there's a problem. Oh. Okay, videos need to be 7 days. So my account is too new. So if I posted this a few days, actually, if I posted it now, this is done on the 8th. So if I waited one more day, then it would have been posted. So I probably will post this again manually. But moving forward, it just make sure that your Reddit account is more than 7 days old before you post. Okay, so that has done it. So Reddit. So this is the Instagram. So now it's not an Instagram. This is social. This is YouTube. Let's go to YouTube one. So this one posts to Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, and Pinterest. So let's go to the first one. Let's go to Twitter. Twitter. Spelled Twitter wrong. Right, okay, here we are. 10 hours ago posted. Okay, so this great. This is exactly what I want. It's kept the description as well of the video and posted the. So if I click on this, it should take me to the video. Does it take me to the video? No, it doesn't have this one. Should need it to have a link to my video, which it doesn't seem to. No, this is not. So this is what I mean. Okay, it's posted. Nice thumbnail. It's posted the text, but there's no link to the video. So although it's out there, people can't click to the video. So I do need to look at that. It may mean that I have to disconnect Twitter from this applet and put it somewhere else. Let's go to Tumblr now. Tumblr. I don't even know if people use Tumblr anymore, but it's there, so why not use it? More posts. Okay, so it hasn't kept the thumbnail, but the text is there. I'll click on that. Does it take me to the video? Yes, it does. YouTube. So that's good. So I only had 4 views so far. It is a new channel. Close that down. So I've got a follower as well. There's a bot, Ches bot. Okay, so then Pinterest is the last one, isn't it? Facebook pages. So it's Facebook. Adventures on the internet. Oh, great, that's there. It looks like it's, yeah, they go straight to YouTube, so that's perfect. That's just what I want. It's got the text, it's got the thumbnail, and if I click on it, it goes directly to the YouTube video. What was the last one? That was Pinterest. Pinterest. Right, that's there too. Let's click on it. Okay, how to promote, great. That takes you to YouTube, brilliant. That does have all the text. It doesn't. But it does have the video. So yeah, it's you can see it has worked. A few need a bit of tweaking just to make it. Well, I need some text in some the description in one or two, but I'll go through it in more detail later. Text in a few others, and the YouTube link. It all needs to go to the YouTube video so people can actually watch the video. So as you can see, we set it up yesterday, and it has worked. It will get us a few extra viewers, I hope. Yeah, we'll look at doing this for other social media networks as they become available on ifttt.com. So yes, thank you for watching this video, and we'll speak to you soon.